Yeah, baby. I finally bought me a nice set of router bits. I've never had a nice set. So I'm going to do a 3/8 round over on my bench top. And then I'm going to sand the edge real nice. So when I paint it, it'll have a nice finished edge. And you want to hear something strange? Oh, there's my bench. I'll give you my bench to look at. I have been banned from commenting on Breitbart for life. And I have absolutely no clue why. I didn't say that name you're not supposed to say. I don't leave racist comments. I don't leave religious comments. I don't argue with people. I have no clue what I could have said that got me banned. I'm totally stumped. And it's not important enough for me to look any further than knowing that I'm not allowed to make comments anymore. But it's a head scratcher. I have no idea why. If it takes one person to maybe flag a comment, or I do not know. But it's not that important, but it is a head scratcher for sure. Okay, back to the business at hand. I'm fixing to get my router out and route this edge. I'm probably going to do it in 2 steps because you'll burn one of these out if you take all that off at once. All right. Oh, and these maybe people don't know this, but if your dog gets a hold of these, it can really hurt them. It could possibly kill them. So these silica gel packs, make sure when you get these in a new tool or a gift or something, make sure they go right into the trash. Don't let the animals get them, cats or dogs, because it'll kill them. All right, let me get back to work here. All right, that's what a round over bit does. Now I'm fixing to get this up on the bench. I sanded the top just in case there was anything on there that will make the paint not stick. All right, let me pick it up and get it over there. There we go. I haven't attached anything yet because I was going to paint this gray, but God, this is such a beautiful piece of wood. I hate painting it. I thought I might stain it and put some poly on it and then paint everything else gray, including the bottom shelf. But that is just too pretty to cover up. I haven't decided yet. I'm going to work on my shelf that's going to go over here. I was also going to put one on that wall and over my Craftsman bench. I decided I am going to keep that, but what I'm going to do is cut the legs off. The reason I don't like it is because it's about 6 inches too tall, and guess what? It's got 6-inch legs on it. So I'm going to cut it off level on the ground, and that'll work. Alrighty, let me sit and start in my mind building my shelves here. Or I might just call it a day. I don't know yet. You'll know in a minute. I've thought about it, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it. And the reason is, when it gets all dinged up and messed up, I can just slap another coat of paint on it when it gets ugly. So I'm going to go ahead and screw everything down. And if I still feel like it, I'm going to start making my shelves. It's coming together. We got a storm, the mother of all storms coming, plus record-breaking cold starting tonight. And it might be in the teens tomorrow. And if it stays cold enough, long enough, there's a very slight chance that we may get the S word. Yep. Alrighty.
Hey.
All three of them. I got a huge lap.
Cheaters, they were all up there sitting with me, and then they wanted out, and I was being played, I was being used. Thanks a lot, guys. Traitors.
Traders. They thought I had food.
Yep.